What is up, everybody? My name is Jeannide. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today we're about to talk about these Dollar Tree must-haves for feminine hygiene. Yes, that's what we're doing today. Pum Pum Maintenance Part 2, baby. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Jeannidevincent. Turn your post notifications and all of that. Now let's get on to this video with the Dollar Tree must-haves. Female hygiene for the low. So this is the after shower deodorant. It's talc free. It's a cornstarch body powder. It's at Dollar Tree, just $1. Everything's $1 at Dollar Tree, for real. That's the only dollar store that actually really sells stuff for $1. But for real, this right here, I love this thing. I like to just put it all over myself. I really do, especially in between my thighs, honey. Cause since I got big thighs, they be rubbing together. I feel good. I feel better about life when I'm done taking a shower. And I actually put this pretty much all over my body, under my armpits, under my boobs, between my thighs. Where else? On my neck. I like to really cover myself with this and look like a powdered donut before I go to sleep. So I like this thing. I like it. It makes me feel good. Okay, and it's actually this thing. I use this, honestly. I use this every night. I really use it in the day. I use more at night than during the day, because I just wear real deodorant like once a day, because I'm kind of sensitive to deodorant. But I use like a strong deodorant too. I use like I use that men's deodorant. I forgot what it's called, but that men's deodorant, I love it. Oh, speaking of which, yeah, men's deodorant is better than female deodorant. Like, I forgot that brand, Old Spice. I use Old Spice. Oh my god, I love it. It stays on, it lasts all day. It actually kind of lasts till the next day. Like, it's really good. Like, honestly, forget the female products. Like, actual, deodorants that are branded towards women. Just get men's deodorant, like Old Spice. It's popping. But at night, I use this instead. And yeah, even one day, I forgot to put on deodorant one day, like in the morning. I usually always put deodorant in the morning, but one day I forgot to put on deodorant. So, but I had this from the other night, from the night before. I still had this on, and then I put more of this on, actually, without putting deodorant. Because in the morning I actually put both this and deodorant underneath my armpits, but I just put this underneath my armpits in the morning one time, and I was actually fresh all day. So yeah, I didn't stick on nothing. So this is actually really good. This is a nice alternative to deodorant. It does say after shower deodorant underneath, but on the bottle, so this comes in handy. But yeah, I should have bought my Old Spice, but I guess it's because this is a Dollar Tree video. But for real, Old Spice, that deodorant's good. I love the Tundra one. I love it. That one, Tundra by Old Spice deodorant, it's really good. That's my main deodorant that I really use every day. Like, that's my deodorant. But moving on. So this is actually something that I didn't talk about in my Pum Pum maintenance video. Back then, I wasn't even using these anyway. But these are the soft and gentle feminine cleansing cloths. These, honey, these wipes come in handy. Like, oh my god. Like, when you're going on a date, honey, and of course you're going to shower before your date or whatever. But when it's the middle of your day and you want to freshen up because you're thinking about to get some later, honey, you better have this in your bag to freshen up that cooter down there. Like, seriously, to freshen it up. Like, this is it. Like, oh my god, I love this thing. And it's old. Like, there are 2 left. I bought a new one the other day at Dollar Tree, but it's not the same. It's it's this. I mean, I don't like it that much because it's scented. But anyways, both of these, they do both say on the top they're compared to the name brand Summer's Eve cleansing cloths. So they're just as good, and they're just $1. So yeah, I'd rather have this than this, because I mean, I love coconut. I love the way it smells, but my pum pum don't need to smell like a coconut. It really doesn't. So yeah. Okay, so Dollar Tree actually sells name brand, like Always, Radiant, it's upside down, Always Radiant Flexi-Form pads. These pads are for me, because I can't be wearing any other pad. Like, this is number 4, level 4. Actually, I got this box at Rite Aid, but they do sell these at Dollar Tree. They sell 3 in a box, so it's pretty much 33 cents for each pad. But I went to Dollar Tree during my period, and they didn't have these anymore. They didn't have them anymore, so I had to go to Rite Aid to get a big box or whatever. But Yeah, because at Rite Aid, this was like $10 for what, 20? But you could get like 3 boxes. That's what, and they're not 3. They're like 7 box. You can get 7 boxes at Dollar Tree, and there are 3 in each box. That's 21 for like $7. So it is cheaper at Dollar Tree. It is, but I had no choice. I had to get it from Rite Aid because there was none at Dollar Tree left at my Dollar Tree that's like close to me. But yeah, these Think Always Radiant Flexi Forms, they really conform. It's really a flexi form. It conforms to your body. Whenever you're moving, it doesn't move with you. Like what? It moves with you is what I'm saying. It moves with you, but it doesn't like stay in like the same place, and then your blood is just flowing another direction. Like for real, like all those other pads that I've used back then, like the pads like to move and stuff and move in different directions or whatever. But this is the truth. Flexi form pads, like these pads are it. These pads are it. These pads are it. They're amazing, and they're long. Like these are overnights. Like they extend all the way to the back. Cause I know it's TMI, but apparently I'm not the only one who goes through this. Okay. Sometimes when I be having my period, not even sometimes. Every time I have my period, like day 1, day 2, sometimes it be looking like blood be coming out my butt crack because it extends all the way back there. Honey, these pads got you. Okay, they got you. Even if they do have level 3 only at Dollar Tree, it's still good. It's still as good as level 4. But yeah, and it's zero feel. It's so comfortable. It's so comfortable. It carries a lot. I be having a heavy flow, so it carries a lot of blood. It holds it all in. Like these are it. Like they're comfortable. They're amazing. I love these pads. I love these pads. They're really flexi form. Like they're really good. So honestly, when I shower, I have one glove, then I have another glove on the other hand. I just brought down one because y'all just need to see one, whatever. But this honestly exfoliates your whole body. It really cleans everything. It scrubs off everything. Like honestly, it scrubs your whole body. You just scrub with your gloves, and yeah, it's really good. It's very efficient. Oh yeah, Dollar Tree. Ooh, I know I checked out my local Dollar Trees. I've seen this in Wayne. I think I saw this in Wayne, but like, and that's kind of far though. I'm not going all the way to Wayne. So, but I found this all the way in Wayne after the fact. After I already bought this in bulk, like I guess 24 for about $30, which also includes shipping. Cause the Dollar Trees near me, I went to like 2 or 3 Dollar Trees. I could not find this, but I heard about this from Love Your Natural. She put me on game about this little thing, and I was like, wow, I haven't been using loofahs ever since I started using this. Like this is the truth, like honestly. So I feel super clean whenever I finish using it. But honestly though, I can't even lie, I don't know how often I should like change it. I mean, I started off changing it every 2-3 days, but now I've been changing it every week or 6 days, 6-7 days honestly. But yeah, because it is exfoliating, and since it's exfoliating, it's supposed to remove dead skin cells. So yeah. So maybe it should be more often. I don't know, I'm not sure. Let me know. Do y'all use exfoliating bath gloves? How often do you guys change these? Because I know a loofah you're supposed to change like every 2-3 months, but these exfoliating bath gloves, they're amazing. Okay, so another item that's like a Dollar Tree must-have for me are these Always Daily Liners. I always get them from whatchamacallit, I forgot what they call it. I always get them from Dollar Tree because they're cheaper there. Like it's just $1 for this. No fill protection, very thin because they're just liners, you know, for extra protection, especially for those long days when you're working 2 shifts in a day. When I was working 2 shifts in a day, honey, this is what I was using. I was using this, and I was using I was using these. Like these were must-haves for me. Like in the middle of my day after working, like I guess 6-7 hours, after working 6-7 hours, I gotta put this. I gotta use these 2, and then have my other 6-7 hours, and then go home, and then yeah, go go shower after. But yeah, in the middle of the day for my very long days, I need these 2 to freshen up down there, cause it be funky after a little while. I ain't gonna lie, like it is what it is. Like honestly, I don't know. I think that's all I gotta say. But yeah, those are my Dollar Tree must-haves. Seriously, save your coin. Go to Dollar Tree to get your feminine hygiene products, your female products for your to maintain your pum pum and everything. So that's all I gotta say. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And follow me on Instagram at JeannieAngelXO. Thanks so much for watching. Turn on the bell and deuces.